Pulling out the gate, water, here she comes with a basket full of chicken and a big cold jar of sweet. I make a little room and she climbs on up. Open up the phone and say hello, doll. Just look at her face, she ain't a fooling me. She thinks my track is sexy. Hair really turns her on. She's always staring at me while I'm chugging along. She likes the way it's pulling while we're tearing up the land. She's even kinda crazy about my father's hand. She's the only one who really understands what gets me. She thinks my track is sexy. We lie back and forth till we run out of light. Take it up and fall and turn it out for the night. Climb up in the loft and talk with the radio on. She says she's got a dream and that's what it is. She wants a little farm and a yard full of kids, and one more TV right before I take her home. She thinks I'm trying to sexy. Her hair really turns her on. She's always staring at me while I'm chugging along. She likes the way it's pulling while we're tearing up the land. She's even kinda crazy about my farmer's plan. She's the only one who really understands what gets me. She thinks my track is sexy. Well, she ain't into cars or pickup trucks, but if it roars like a deer, man, her eyes light up. She thinks my track is sexy. Hair really turns her on. She's always staring at me while I'm chugging along. She likes the way it's pulling while we're tearing up the land. She's even kinda crazy about my farmer's hand. She's the only one who really understands what gets me. She thinks my track is sexy. Thinks my track is sexy.